I can tell you is, if people have decided Ibrahim, give him the seat and accept and concede the defeat. That is what we expected. It is only a man enough who can do that. It is a strong man who can accept and concede defeat. It is not the end of the world for you. You have been governing for 5 years. People have decided to vote for Ibrahim and to defeat you, to make you go home. That is what you expected. Don't make people to kill each other. Don't bring violence. What we have witnessed is, we have seen you are not a leader. What we have seen in Butte yesterday, you are not a leader enough. So it is a strong man to concede a defeat. And tomorrow is another day. Even Ibrahim Saney was ruling for 2013 up to 2017. He was defeated in 2017. He went home peacefully. He came back 2022. He won the seat. And you can also come back 2027. But be strong enough to be a man. That is what I'm telling you. We need our victory. And it is said in English, justice delayed is justice denied. We are waiting even the presidential election result. Up to now, it is only remaining the presidential result. What is an MP? What is an MP result? Up to now, we have never seen our democratic rights, and right now we don't.